Hey everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your profile picture in Tango. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Tango application. Make sure you are logging to your Tango account. Now tap on your profile picture icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on your displayed name. Then select the pencil icon at the top right corner of your screen. Again, tap on the pencil icon which is on your displayed profile picture. Now to change your profile picture, tap on any one of the photos that you would like to add. And then tap on the Set Photo button at the bottom of your screen. And this is how you can change your profile picture in Tango. Thanks for watching Tech My Life. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.